Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying two essentials. You are signed into the same Apple ID and Find My is enabled. Open the Find My app on any Apple device or go to iCloud. And sign in with your Apple ID. Once done, select Devices and tap the missing iPhone to begin. You want to trigger its location now, so use Play Sound immediately if the map shows nearby. This first action both confirms connectivity and gives you a quick auditory cue to locate the device. Once the device appears or after Play Sound, study the map carefully to identify the exact address or last known location. If you can't retrieve it immediately, put the phone into lost mode. This locks the screen, shows a custom message with your contact number, and disables Apple Pay to secure your data. If the phone is offline, select Notify when found, so you'll receive an alert when it next connects. Make sure to track movement. If it changes position, consider contacting local authorities. Finally, decide whether to recover the device or protect your information. If you believe you will get the phone back, keep Lost Mode active and follow any leads. If recovery is unlikely, use Erase iPhone to wipe data remotely. Note this removes Find My, so only erase as a last resort. Once removed from your account, activation lock can be released. If something goes wrong, check your Apple ID sign-in, device date and time settings, and network access. If the app fails, repeat the same controls at iCloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.